What's up guys, welcome back to another video. It's your boy Lise, and today I'm gonna switch out the stock shift knob with the brand new one that I got from American Muscle. But first I want to show you guys the Mustang and how clean she looks. As you can tell guys, she looks pretty good. I tried out a new product from Chemical guys. It's called C4. It's a cleaning compound. I usually use the one from McGuire's, but I ran out yesterday. Well, actually dropped it and it spilled all over the place. So I looked it up online and the C4 had pretty good reviews. So I wanted to give it a try, and as you can tell, it worked pretty well guys. Worked pretty well. She looks really good. But yeah guys, let me show you guys the bottle real quick and show you guys which one I'm talking about. This was the bottle I was talking about guys. Chemical guys C4 correction compound. As you can tell, she looks really good, so I'm happy with the results. Alright guys, I'm gonna move the car real quick right there with her shade, so it won't be too hot when I'm installing that new shift knob. Alright guys, here's the package. You can tell. Let's see. Bro, what the heck? Bro, small bark. That's funny. See this bad boy? Oh, and a white one. There you go. Looks pretty good. Put this here. Oh, bruh. Damn. Hey guys, as you can tell, looks pretty good. And I went with white just because I think the black one would have gotten really hot with the sun. All I gotta do now is go test it out on the road, see if it feels any different from the stock one. Go ahead and put you guys on the GoPro. And yeah guys, looks pretty good. do a little quick cruise around some back roads over here. But first, I'm gonna go get some gas real quick. So let's go. Bike sounds good. That, but damn, that was a nice pop. I hate this stop sign because you can't really see on my left like that. Alright guys, I just got home. It's pretty much gonna be the end of the video. I gotta admit, the shift knob is pretty good. It helps me shift a lot better. The stock one was a little bit, I mean, it wasn't that bad, but it did feel a little rough trying to put it into gear and stuff like that. Sometimes I'll miss the shift, but right now it was shifting pretty good, you know. I mean, they weren't the best shifts, but they're all right. But yeah, guys, if y'all enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.